Hello guys, today I am going to tell you the main problem of everyone who really want to become fluent in English. It is a common problem of everyone to feel hesitant during public speaking time. Everyone expresses their same problem. I know English, I understand English, I write English without any mistake. When I start to speak in public, I feel hesitant, nervous, and stuttered a lot. Sometimes I stuttered a little bit. I forget what to say. I can't find the word. My brain gets blocked and becomes blank. What if someone catches my mistake? What if someone laughs at me after listening my broken English? It is essential to focus your own progress. No need to worry about others' opinions. You carry on your practice. The English expert men never laugh at you because once upon a time they faced the same problem. English is not piece of cake for me. Sometimes I feel that let it be go. Sometimes I feel that it is not possible for me to speak in English, and sometimes I think that my dream will remain a dream. Sometimes I think that my dreams will never come true. But I really want to become a fluent. I really want to become fluent in English like a native speaker. English requires more practice. English dedicates to everyone. I won't surrender to you easily. After a few days practice, some people get tired and give up easily. So I reckon that don't give up easily. Be patient and stay connected with continuous learning. Consistent learning makes you perfect. You promise yourselves you have to manage the time for practice at least 15 to 20 minutes per day at anyhow. And I have to manage the time for practice. I need to learn more and more, and nothing is impossible to learn. English is not difficult task like other activities. Yes, it is possible to learn English and become fluent in English. So, after day by day practice, you realize that you will improve in English a lot without your imaginations. Yes, it is possible. So, be patient. Don't lose your heart. If I can, you can. That's it. So দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। যদি আমার ভিডিও ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও। আজকের মতন টাটা।